Hey guys, welcome to Tech Surgeon YT once again. So today in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Oraimo and Burna Boy collaboration earphones, and this is called the Oraimo SpacePods. And space is kind of like a reference to Burna Boy's record label, Spaceship Entertainment. And right now you can see we're tearing off the packaging from the box, and then once we tear off the packaging from the box, you can just see it's the normal Oraimo packaging, but with a little difference. It does not follow the normal lime green color. It kind of takes up this limited edition brownish tint. And now that we're done with the packaging, we're going to be opening the packaging to reveal the space pods. Now, once you take up the lid and then you pull it up a little bit, you're going to be greeted by the earbuds. Those are the first thing you're going to see in the packaging. Now, taking that up, you can see it shows a simple slide to open infographic, and we're just going to be setting that aside so we can check up other components of the SpacePods box. Now, once you take out the top part of the packaging on the bottom compartment, you can open that out to reveal the manual and also a written note from Burna Boy. And the written note says, "Music is inspirational, sounds are infinite, and like water, it has no enemy. Music lifts and heals a broken spirit. I've experienced it, and now so will you," by Burna Boy. So you can just put that aside. And then coming right here, you can see a manual, and this manual has been crafted in kind of like a map format. It's a really big manual, so we're just going to be putting that aside too. And then going into the box, we're going to see this other compartment that houses the charging cable. It's the usual standard small charging cable, and then some ear tips. And the charging cable has the normal greenish tint, kind of showing the normal Oraimo standard colors, as opposed to the limited edition brown that was shipped. And this is a USB-C cord for fast charging. Now we're going to be checking out the actual earbuds. Now you can see that that's the normal infographic that says slide to open, and it is encased in this nylon wrapper. So all we have to do is take this out and then we'll slide the case out. Now you can see right there, this is the case and that's the charging port under the case. And then opening the box, you can see the earbuds. The earbuds are made with plastic, but it comes with a very nice matte finish. And then this is slide to open. You can see that snaps really well. And then the earbuds have been crafted to deliver every note with precision, and it boasts of a state-of-the-art noise cancellation technology, ensuring you only hear what you want to hear, whether it's your favorite music or an important call. And they are designed for comfort and durability. These premium earbuds offer a sleek and ergonomic fit, making them your ideal companion for long listening sessions. And the compact charging case, like I showed you earlier, provides extended playtime, ensuring your music never skips a beat. I can connect this effortlessly with the latest Bluetooth technology 5.2, and you can enjoy freedom to move without a compromise, whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or a music connoisseur. These Oraimo SpacePods are tailored to complement your lifestyle.